Hi everyone, this is Dr. Rohini Patil, and in today's video we are going to talk about simple habits which help you lose weight. And like in my previous video I said that you have to try to make sure that you make these habits a part of your lifestyle. So take one habit for a week, do it for a week, get settled with it, let your body adjust to it, and then move to the next habit. So the three habits which I'm going to tell you today are very simple, but they have a huge impact on your weight loss process. And the first habit is avoid having fruits the first thing in the morning. So instead of fruits, you can have healthy fats in the morning. So that is what we call fat first. So try to have a ghee coffee, or you can have warm water and ghee, or you can have coconut oil in your coffee or in warm water. Second thing that you can do with fat first is, if you don't want to do ghee and warm water the first thing in the morning, you can just go ahead with couple of nuts. So you can have soaked almonds, you can have walnuts, which are nicely soaked in water, but just don't go with any sweet version of don't go with dates and figs. So avoid that category of dry fruits, but you can definitely have nuts. So that is the way of doing fat first. So if you're doing lemon water in the morning, after your lemon water, make sure that you're doing warm water and ghee, or coconut water and ghee, or your nuts, or you can have it with your tea also, but make sure that it's black tea. And after that, after about an hour or hour and a half, then move to your breakfast. So fat first is one thing that you must do if you're trying to lose weight, or even if you're trying to get to your healthy weight. Number two that you can do if you're trying to lose weight is get moving, because exercise acts as a different kind of motivation altogether to follow a healthy habit, or to follow a healthy diet, or it gets you in place. It acts as a reset mechanism with your hunger pangs, with your hunger levels. So it is very important to get your body moving. So always remember, weight loss is 80% diet and 20% exercise, but both are not complete without each other. So try to combine with your workouts, try to make fun workouts, or just try to go for a walk. All of these things will have a huge effect on your health and on your weight loss. Next thing that you can do, and that is the third thing, which is a very easy thing, is try to adopt to intermittent fasting lifestyle habit. So I am not talking about any fad intermittent fasting diet. I'm talking about making intermittent fasting an integral part of your lifestyle. So here is what you need to do for intermittent fasting: is try to have your dinner before sunset, and try to have your first meal after sunrise if you've never done any kind of intermittent fasting. So that itself puts your body in a 12-hour fast or 13-hour fast, and you will see amazing results with this. You will see amazing transformation with just this one simple habit. You don't have to eat anything, you don't have to do anything, you just need to follow certain timings. So try to maintain 12 to 13 hours of gap between your first meal and last meal. If you're used to intermittent fasting, then you can definitely do 16 hours and 18 hours. But if you've never done intermittent fasting, I think this is the healthiest habit which you can follow forever. It can become your lifestyle. So try to follow that. And if you manage to have your meals according to the sunrise and sunset cycle, then according to your body's circadian cycle, it's even better. So try to adopt this, and I hope you can follow these three habits and let me know the changes and modifications that you feel in your day-to-day lifestyle. And as we always say, it's never just a diet, it's always a lifestyle. So stay healthy, stay fit, stay grateful, and stay blessed. Bye.